Right, well, fucking welcome, team. I've just started a fucking YouTube video now, so you can all fucking get to know. We are about to get blasting, team. We've got TikTok on live, we've got YouTube on film on the GoPro. Let's fucking get into it, team. Let's fucking get into it. Right, I've got no throttle right now, and that's because I need to go into my mode. There we go. I'm gonna have to put this phone down, guys, because there's no way. That's a bit better, isn't it? Yeah, that's a bit better. Right. That's a bit better. Stinging nettles again. Oh, my leg's on fire. They proper wrap round my leg. Oh God, that was horrible. It all wrapped round my leg. Oh, mate. Do I want to go that way or do I want to go? No, I want to go this way, don't I? No, actually, I do want to go this way because I want to be in the sun, baby. I want to be in the sun, yeah. I want to be in the sun, yeah. Woo! Break it, baby. Yeah, that's how we're doing it, team. Everyone double tap the screen. I'm getting constantly whipped by fucking stinging nettles. Ah! Fuck! Ah, it's got whipped again. Mate, we need to fucking pick up the pace along here, mate. Whoa! I'm alive. I'm alive. Do you know what the funny thing is? I was literally just saying to myself, this is where I flipped off before. And luckily, for the first time, guys, I didn't land on my bad elbow. Fucking result. Well chuffed with that. Let me get back to it. Right. Well, I'm still in mode, ready to go. I was right though, I needed a bit of extra speed. Way! Right. And that's why you need to have your helmet on, have your gear all ready to go, and make sure that you're riding within your skill ability. Yeah? Riding within your skill ability. That's the lesson of the day. That's the lesson of the day. Right, let's fucking go for it. Woo! Yeah! Ah! Right, I ain't doing it again. Boy! Mate, this is a fucking piss take. It's because the old fucking enduro bikes have been through here and they've ripped loads of tracks. So it's taking my front wheel left, right and centre. Way! Yeah, this is not good, mate. Ah! It's the stinging nettles. I just can't handle the stinging nettles. Like the rest of it, I can handle. Do you know what I mean? It's these fucking stingers, man. Oh, fucking fuck you. I fucking hate them stinging nettles, man. Right, let's go. Fucking seem to remember this bastard bit before. Yeah, do you remember? Fucking bastards. What's happening, people? Who's out and about? Give me a tap and that. Give me a tap. Give me a tap. Tap on the old screen, my boys and girls. See, that's the other good thing, yeah, when you got the Apex. Because it's fucking small, you don't really find yourself struggling to lift it over stuff. So that was nice and easy, man. See what I mean? She's got the power, boy. She's got the power. So yeah, who's out and about? What's the signal like? Is it okay? Yeah, it don't seem too bad at the moment, does it? Right, I'm going to blast round then, guys, yeah? I'm going to blast round. I'm going to stay in gear 2 for now. I'm going to stay in gear 2 so I can have a nice fucking controlled puff on my vape. And then we're going to go fucking ham. I mean, look at the fucking views, do you know what I mean? I'm constantly just bringing you the good views, the good trails, good trips, good bikes, do you know what I mean? Just basically the best. This channel's the best. It's got to be the best. It's got to be the best. Mate, I'm so fucking tired, I just want to lay down and go sleep. I don't know where it's coming from. I think it's because I haven't eaten. I just, every now and again, it's really fucking hitting me hard that I just need a sleep. Yeah, fuck. I think the only thing that's going to keep me going is the adrenaline of riding. Not being funny, can you shut up? Oh dear. No, get out of here. Do your lips rub when you walk, Charlie? Oh dear. Right, well, I'm just going to get going then. I've got to be